10x commission stack. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Marketing, and welcome to my channel where I show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. I give you honest reviews and hints and tips and training every week, so be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. Today I am looking at 10x commission stack. It's launched today, which is the 31st of January 2021, and it is by Glynn Kosky, who is a prolific product launcher. So what this is actually, it's a stack of his 10 best selling apps or software that he has sold over the last couple of years on Warrior Plus, and they've all been deals of the day. But that just means they're deals of the day because of the sales figure. It doesn't mean that it is a good software or a good product, or even that the customers are happy with it. But before we dig in, let's have a look at the sales page. So it says here, get unlimited free traffic and commissions with the same apps that generate us tens of thousands of dollars daily. Same apps, keep that in your mind. Massive 99% off every product, 10 automated traffic apps, additional 20 training products, 100% done for you profit suites, private community for all members, free traffic included with each app, and a world-class support, and no experience or tech skills required. So this is aimed at anybody who's a newbie who has seen that you can make money online, which you can, and you can make it in good, decent, honest way. But it really does take work. And you do need to learn some sort of tech skills. You need a computer at the very least, and you need an autoresponder, and you need hosting or somewhere to actually put your landing page and your domains. So those are the most important things, and a lot of things you don't actually need. Now, a lot of these apps that they claim that helps them generate tens of thousands, they say they are using. Well, the only way it generates them tens of thousands is the fact that they are selling all these items. And if we go scroll down the page, you'll see that there's random sales figures like that, which is from Warrior Plus, but it's because they've sold all these products. And this from ClickBank. Now, they might use some of the opt-in pages that come with this to actually use to get that with ClickBank, but I haven't seen that, and I haven't seen it in the training either, that's how they use these apps. Now, this looks a fantastic page, and one of the apps, in fact a few of them, are funnels, but they haven't used this to build their funnel. What they have used is ClickFunnels. I've put the domain address 10xstack.com in, and it says ClickFunnels, and then also all their different products that they've built is built on PHP, so there'll be a WordPress background in there, and it's not from their own products, their own apps that they've created. So if we go in here, this is 10x commission stack, and it is the front end product, it's the membership area, and it's a JV access, and the JV access has been given access to 3 OTOs. There are 9 OTOs in this product. Yes, 9 one-time offers. And what happens is there's a short tutorial. Now, these tutorials actually appear in every single one of the apps. And it is about traffic methods. Some is about solo ads, some is about paid ads, some about free ads. And the training is very basic, and it's more about the theory. And there's a link there to Udemy, and there's also a training affiliate blueprint from Glynn Kosky. And it's free to join Ultimate Commission Club. And again, that actual page is created in ClickFunnels. And then there is some free traffic, which is also in every single one of these trainings, and it links to these different products: Affiliate Traffic Lab, Viral News Traffic, and Tube Traffic Machine, and YouTube. Your traffic training is here, so you need to log in and go to all of those and work through them all. So it's not a quick 1, 2, 3 that you can go into and suddenly be spewing loads of money within 60 seconds, although it doesn't say that on this particular sales page. So to access all your 10x stack, which is $17, and you get the front end, so you need to click on each and every single one of these and register to get into these, and these are the different registration pages. So you need to be either saving them somewhere, writing them down, or using like a robo form to actually store the information. So I have registered with a couple of these to actually see what they are, and on the whole they are okay products, really okay. They're not products that you actually need if you're a newbie, or even if you are somebody that does affiliate marketing as your main living. You wouldn't use these. They're okay. The training's fine. It's done by Lee. He walks you through what you need to be doing. Now, this particular one is about creating an ebook and using this ebook creator. Now, there's a lot of ebook creators out there. There's some that the whole purpose of their business is to be ebook creators, like Designer or Scribble, but they are in a different league to this. Now, if you want to create an easy ebook that's free, you can use Canva. Not only can you use Canva to create the actual ebook, you can be using eCreator. Now, what this does is it actually goes and fetches different PLRs from a database. Often the PLR is actually out of date. It is not what you're looking for. It's not actually the keywords that you've typed in. And it's also letting you scrape from other websites, which is not right. If the content is not yours, you are actually doing plagiarism, and you could be getting into all sorts of trouble with trademarks and copyrights. You can write your own, but again, you can use PLR that you yourself can get a hold of free. You can improve it. You've got to put your own unique voice to it, but you can do that. And then also there is this super affiliate. Now, I'm not sure if this is an OTO, and this allows you to actually build pages. But again, Glynn Kosky is using ClickFunnels, which the cheapest product for ClickFunnels is $97, and I guarantee you they won't be using the cheap one because they've got a lot of funnels out there. And then the next one I joined and had a look at was this Profit Sniper X. Now, this is a relaunch of another one that was called Marketing Funnels, and I saw that because in the training there was a video that has since been replaced with a different name. Now, I've put some links down in the description to other videos and other blog posts that talk about all the different products that come in this. And one of the blog posts actually that covers this talks about the same thing as me, that one of the videos actually shows you a different funnel building name. And again, this is supposed to be a funnel builder. There's actually free funnel builders out there, like GrooveFunnels is free. You can use that with three actual pages in it, and it hasn't got GrooveMail at the moment because that's not working. And this has got a ClickBank database. Again, you can just go to ClickBank yourself and look up the database and use that. And then I registered for this one here, but every time I actually click on it, my virus protector gives me this about malware. So that is something to be aware of with this product as well. So my opinion is, on the front end, I wouldn't get it because you don't actually need any of these products. But not only that, is it's a deep funnel. The front end is basically getting you in and selling you all of this, and it is $900 if you buy the whole lot, and it is $390 if you buy the front end or the downsells. Now, have you actually lost anything in the downsells? When I've looked at it, it doesn't look like you have. It just looks like they're giving you coupons to make you purchase. And also, if you do want these products, when you're inside, you can actually purchase all the upgrades for you. So what do you get? So your front end actually gives you access to 10 of these deal of the day products. Now, they may be deal of the day, but are they what people have actually asked for? This is Glynn Kosky's one, and as you can see, 10x commission stack. He's had 100 sales already today, so he does get a lot of sales. But look at the average star ratings. There are 3. This one is 3.5, so, but 3 star, 3 star, 2.5. 4 star for that, but 2.5 for that one. 2.5, 3, 3, 3, 2.5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. DigiFunnel Lab, that's the one that changed its name. A lot of these have changed their name. Commission Funnels Pro. So some of these have changed their name and are different things. But these are all his deal of his day. So yes, look how many thousands of sales he has got. So he does make a lot of money selling these products, but he doesn't actually use them like he claims on his sales page. So have been generating consistent daily profits in our business every day. Well, they have, but not by them using them. So let's have a look at the funnel. So OTO 1 is $67, and this says you get unlimited access. Now I believe you get unlimited access to all the different products, all the different training, all the different things that are inside, and yes, they all come with a bit of training inside of them. Every single one has training. Also they come with, you see this one, Super Affiliate Builder's got the same thing there as that one there. So they've got similar things into them, and they've all got access to this here as well, which is viral news tracker. All of them have got the same thing. So if you bought any of these products, you have got probably all of the stuff in there already. So OTO 1 unlimited. OTO 2 is done for you, so it's probably done for you landing pages, opt-in pages, bonus pages, things like that. Then OTO 397 is traffic, so how to get your traffic. OTO 467 is automation. Don't know what that even means. 197 is ATM. 197 at OTO 6 at ultimate. OTO 7 is buying the resale license for you to be able to sell all of these as your own, so you get 100% of the profit. OTO 8 is 30k, and then OTO 9 is buying their bonus vault. So, and then they've all got downsells, and if you purchase the whole lot, it would be $900, and if you purchase the downsells, it would be $390. In the links down in the description, there are other videos, YouTube videos and blogs that actually show you the reviews of this. Do you need any of this to make money online? And the simple answer is no. What you need is you need something that gets you traffic, and usually you have to do that yourself. If it's free, you have to either write blog posts, or you have to do YouTube, or you have to do Pinterest, or you have to do Facebook, some sort of social media work. Or you do paid traffic, and you can use YouTube ads, or you can use Bing or Google, and that's the way you get traffic. And usually you're sending it to a bridge page or an opt-in page, so therefore you need an autoresponder that can either have a built-in landing page like GetResponse or Aweber, or you can purchase hosting and put in a plugin, or you can use such like as GrooveFunnels, which is free, that has all of that, except at the moment it doesn't have an autoresponder. But you can do a lot of this for free without using any of these shiny object tools. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel, where I'm going to be giving you more training on actually creating a business online for affiliate marketing.